What's the meaning of Caesarean section? Caesarean section. Caesarean section.
Caesarean section. Caesarean section. A caesarean section, also known as a C-section, is a surgical procedure in which a baby is delivered through incisions made in the abdomen and uterus of the mother. This procedure can be either planned or done as an emergency measure when vaginal delivery is not possible or safe. The operation typically involves making a horizontal or vertical incision through the lower abdominal wall and uterus, followed by carefully extracting the baby. A caesarean section can result in a longer recovery period for the mother compared to vaginal delivery, but it can also help deliver a healthy baby when natural delivery is not an option.